Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up everything. This protects photos, messages, and accounts if something fails. Once done, charge the S7 Edge to at least 80% and enable developer options and USB debugging so the PC can communicate. Next, download the specific Android 12 firmware build for your model and Odin v3. 14+. Verify checksums to avoid corrupt files. Do these steps now. They prevent common failures and set the stage for a smooth flash procedure. You put the phone into download mode. Power plus home plus volume down, then confirm. Connect via USB and open Odin. Load firmware partitions into AP, BL, CP, and CSC slots. Only use PIT if the guide specifies it, because wrong PIT can brick the device. Make sure to disable antivirus and use the original cable to prevent disconnects. Click Start and monitor the progress bar. Odin will show pass when the flash completes successfully. You should expect the first boot to take 5 to 10 minutes. This is normal while the system optimizes apps. Once the device boots, perform a factory reset only if you see persistent boot loops that often fixes migration conflicts. After a stable boot, restore your backups and re-enable settings, then update apps and Google Play services. If something goes wrong, re-download the firmware, switch USB ports or cables, and re-flash. If errors persist, consider professional repair for hardware or eMMC issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.